Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Keith All. Today we're going to learn a quick tip in Photoshop where you could change the layer opacity with just using your keypads, which is the numbers. So in order to do this, select the layer of the one that you want to change the opacity for. And instead of clicking here and adjusting it or using the slider to adjust it, one thing you want to make sure you have the move tool selected, okay, on the layer that you're working with. And just all you have to do at this point is press any number. So I'm going to press 6. And what that does, it automatically adjusts the opacity to 60%. If I want to go down to 30, just press 2. Or 20%, you can see the opacity is changing. So if you wanted to go to like an odd number, like let's say 53%, what you want to do is you want to press 5, 3 in rapid succession. So 5, 3, and it changes it to 53%. If you want to change the fill on this, so let's bring this back up to 100%. If you want to change your fill, all you have to do is just hold down the Shift key and then press, let's say, 6 for 60%. As you can see, it changed that to that. And again, if you want an odd number, like say 35, hold down the Shift key and press 3, 5 in rapid succession. And you can see it changed the fill to 35%. So that is a quick tip on how you could use the keypad with the numbers to change the opacity or the fill adjustment on your particular layers. Again, thank you for stopping by today. You have a great day. Subscribe to my channel and also click on that bell notification so you always have an update when there is a new video ready. And also, please like, share, and comment. I appreciate your support. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.